What is up, YouTube? Trade Mode James coming at you today for a how-to video. We're going to talk about how to use a Fibonacci retracement tool. It's very simple. This video is going to be kind of quick, but I hope it gives you a better understanding of what this tool is, what it does, and how to use it. All right? Let's jump right into it, guys. I'm going to use the Microvision chart because, man, I just love Microvision, so why not use it to explain this beautiful, beautiful tool to you guys, all right? So a Fibonacci retracement tool is a tool that is used to find reversal levels, reversal zones, okay? So if you want to find where you think price might go after a big move up or a big move down, you're going to need to use your Fibonacci retracement tool, all right? And what you want to do is, this is a 1 hour time frame, okay, guys? You can use it on a big time frame, you can use it on a little time frame, you can use it wherever you want. We're going to use a 1 hour time frame just for this video here. So as I see here, and as you guys can see, this is going to be our low point right here at 1136 basically, okay? 1136, and we're going to pull it all the way up to 1933. So if you have a big move up, you always want to pull from bottom to up, from bottom to top. If you have a big move down, you want to pull it from the top to the bottom. So since we have a big move up, we're going to grab it from right here at this wick, and we're going to pull it all the way to the top of this wick right here. All right, what that's going to do is that's going to give me an area of typical reversal. A lot of the time in stock markets and in the Forex market, this golden zone is an area of big reversal, all right? Sometimes it breaks through, sometimes it doesn't, but a lot of the times, more so than not, it is a reversal zone. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my golden zone, and guys, you can use whatever colors you want. This is just what I call it on my channel when I'm showing my subscribers how to use this tool, all right? Then I'm going to go ahead and remove this tool, and that's going to give me my golden zone, all right? And as you can see here on this move, that is exactly what happened. If you could have drawn this Fibonacci tool in somewhere, anywhere up in here. It doesn't have to have, it doesn't have to be all the way to the top. You can draw it wherever you want if you think that that's the top. Obviously, this is the top because there's a lot of wickage happening here. So on the move back down, maybe right about here, that's when you would have said, okay, let's pull it from this move all the way up to this move, get this zone in, and you can somehow predict where price is going to reverse at. It did exactly that. It came down into this golden zone, found some support, and bounced off very nicely. All right, that is a very cookie cutter reversal right here. All right, and this stock will probably make a move to the upside after touching this zone. Guys, let me show you the settings real quick because I know a lot of you do use the fib, but you don't have the right settings, all right? I'm going to open this up for you, okay? And I'm going to open the settings menu for you. Take a screenshot, copy it, but just make sure that your settings look exactly like mine as far as these numbers go. You want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these checked, and these are the numbers that you need to put in there. All right, this is going to give you the proper levels of reversal. This is going to give you the proper percentages, and this is going to give it. It's just going to make it. It's going to make it legit. All right. So take a screenshot, write these down, whatever you want to do. This is the info that you need to put into your settings on your Fibonacci retracement tool. All right. The tool has the icon like this, guys. If you didn't know, I am using TradingView, www.tradingview.com. It's a free charting. It's free charting software. They do have a premium version, but guys, on my channel, and as far as I know, I pretty much use naked price action, all right? I don't use crazy indicators. I use trend lines, SMAs, Fibonacci, and, maybe a few other things like RSI and some Bollinger Bands. That's about it. I don't use any crazy indicators, guys, all right? Like I said, this tool right here is used to find reversal zones, okay? And that's what the Fibonacci retracement tool is. This price goes up, it retraces back down to this 50 to 61.8% zone, and then it's going to make a move back to the upside, all right? Or it's going to break through. That is to be determined, but this is typically an area of reversal, and that is how you use the Fibonacci retracement tool. Guys, if you like this video, please press the like button. It's really that simple to use this tool. It's not hard. It's not difficult. You got to let it sink in on what this tool actually does. It simply just tells you where an area of reversal could potentially be, and a lot of the time it plays out like this more than it doesn't, simply due to the fact that people believe in it, guys. It's just like money. Money only has value because you believe it does, all right? If I hand you a piece of paper and I tell you it has value, you're going to laugh at me, but if I hand you a $100 bill and tell you there's value, you're definitely going to want to take that out of my hand, all right? Fibonacci is the same way. It only works because people use it and they know these zones, and they typically trade off of these golden zones, all right? Guys, if you like the video, press like, hit subscribe if you hadn't done that. Get up in the Discord. The Discord link will be in the description box below this video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys on Discord, guys. And peace and love from my end. Trade Mode James signing out. Peace and love.